Well, good morning. It's Glenn Douglas, and the motor's started. The sound of music, construction, and here we are up here in beautiful Big Bear. We're over here bringing you some of the closure up here in Big Bear. We got the fencing in. We're getting ready now to pebble this pool, and so all the preparations are made. We've got all the protection in place, and now we're ready to rock and roll. The elements are coming through and it looks very nice. So we'll catch you down the hill later today. For now, Glenn Douglas signing off from Big Bear. Have a great day.